Hi friends, past few days I have been receiving multiple email communication and you people looking for solution, especially termination record. Okay, there are multiple emails I received from your side, and next 2 days I'm going to give solution for only termination cases alone. I already explained about the termination related issues. If you have termination record, if your previous employer terminated, in the new employer they will ask relief letter, or if you don't have relief letter they will ask justification, and they will get the justification from your side and they will verify with your employer wherever you got the termination letter. Okay, definitely in their side. Okay, from your employer side, if your current employer or new employer do the verification, they will check in the system what is the reason for relieving, what is the update is reflecting in the database, organization database, based on which the new HR or recently joined HR in your previous organization, based on the information reflecting in the system, they will respond. Okay, based on which only they will respond to your new employer. Okay, I don't want to complicate the things. Whatever justification if you provided, based on which your current employer will check with your previous employer. Okay, for termination record, honestly speaking, they will give you the negative feedback only. Then obviously your background verifications may be failed or rejected. Okay, so last few days I'm receiving multiple email communication to give solution for termination. So that next 2 days I'm going to focus on termination case alone. If you got the job, really I'm happy. If you don't get the job, if your background verification completely failed, if your profile completely rejected, you can contact to me. I will tell you the alternative solutions. I repeat, I cannot delete your service history. Don't look for that. Obviously, I cannot do. You also cannot do anything. Even though if you interact with your PF officer or PF organization, okay, it will be very difficult to remove the service history. Okay, there is an alternative way to get the job, and if your background verification completely rejected, you can contact to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video descriptions. Once done your payment, I will give you the alternative tricks. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And next 2 days, I'm going to focus on only termination case alone. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.